Hi guys, in today's video I'll be unboxing the Apple AirTag, and this one I got it the full pack, and it's cost $99. Pick it up at the Apple store, so here we go. As always, Apple is like very easy to open the box. They make it easy. So in the box, yes, I think you got the full AirTag in here, and the manual, another manual, so the manual, and okay, here we go. So this one you can connect to your phone, and it will like send you the location of the tag. I got the full tag right here. I'm gonna see what's included. Does it include like the battery in it? Oh, look very nice, very shiny. See my face on it. Okay, I think the battery is included. I'll find out what kind of battery it is later. But if you pull out this tab, the battery terminal will connect and it will start working. So I'm gonna grab my phone and let's see if I can set it up. So I got my phone. Now we'll try to connect it to it, and the instruction is only 1 and 2. So you have to update your to the latest iOS, and I'm gonna pull out the tab and hold it near my phone. See, we'll connect to it. I'll turn on my phone. I'm gonna pull out the tab. Okay, you're making a beeping noise. Okay. So now let's say I have to update my software. I will download and install the software, and I'll be right back, guys. Hi guys. So I got my phone software updated to the latest version. So now I will connect my AirTag to my phone. So I'm going to start with this one. It's very shiny and nice looking. I'm going to unplug it. Just making a beeping sound. Let me see. Yeah, follow the directions. So update my software and put my AirTag like close to my phone right here, and now I'm connected. I'm gonna connect it. So they give me the option to like they have a few pre-name on here already, like backpack, bike, camera, handbag, headphone, jacket, keys, luggage, umbrella, wallet, and also they have a custom name for it, so you can rename it. Like, I think this is more convenient if you put it in your car and you are like in a big parking lot and you don't remember where your car parked. It will give you a direction to your car too. So I'm just gonna put it on my bike, and that's my information. So register AirTag to your Apple ID, and I'm gonna click continue. So it's making a little noise, and you'll click done. So now if I want to find my AirTag, I will go to Find My. I can find my phone. So here we go. These are the AirTag that I have, the backpack and my bike. So I'm gonna click on my bike and I'm gonna play sound on it. It's making very low sound, not as loud as the Find My iPhone. So I guess it's easy for you to like put on your bike and then, you know, get the direction to your bike or your car. So I think that's more convenient. And if you find your key, then if you're 5 feet away, I think you can hear the sound. So in here, I think you can rename, or neither you can rename or remove the item. And there's a lost mode, the direction. So that's all for the AirTag, guys. I'm gonna use it and see how long the battery will last. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.